And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape. And I want to help you understand the magnitude of what we got going on. And as you can see, this is a landscape transformation in the utmost degree, because it says that we're not only going to be able to provide this customer with a landscape transformation that solves the problem, but we're also going to be able to give them an outdoor landscape experience that lasts a lifetime. And what you see taking place is 150 square foot of custom retaining wall block going in, along with this step pattern that's going to allow them to be able to get to the top of their landscape. And it's all going to be able to provide this customer with an outdoor landscape transformation that lasts a lifetime, by also being able to incorporate our decorative gravel and then being able to provide this customer with an outdoor landscape transformation. And we are back at it again, right here at Brooks Landscape, with another outdoor landscape transformation in less than 48 hours. We've given this customer a total landscape transformation by being able to bring in 150 square feet retaining wall, over 8 tons of decorative gravel, and a landscape drainage solution that's going to last a lifetime. Let me take you through this. That design, I also came up with a way to take the water that would have been moving on this side of the landscape, put it through a dry creek bed that we're going to create on this side, and it's going to give the customer an outdoor landscape transformation. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Now, normally we would have tied this gutter downspout in up under the ground, but guess what? The tree was there and it did not allow for us to do so. So what we did is I came up with a design using my beautiful decorative river rock in order to create a dry creek bed thought process here, that the water is now going to be moved off to the back of the landscape. And doing that, I also brought in our beautiful decorative gravel that allowed for me to be able to take an area that was receiving a tremendous amount of erosion as that water moved to the path of least resistance. And now I'm able to add the beautiful decorative gravel and the erosion control fabric, and it's giving this customer a landscape design that they're definitely going to be able to find a peace of mind in.